how to use the content editor. The content editor appears wherever you need to add text in the platform. Here, you have the possibility to either type directly into the text section or use the copy and paste function. Use this tool in the editor to customize the text style, adding headers to your content. You can also adjust the font, size, and color of your text. Apply format options such as bold, italics, underlining, or exploring other available choices. You can insert tables and edit them. Align your text or create lists. Additionally, you will have the option to undo or remove formatting from the selected text. Finally, you have several options to enhance your content. This includes adding links to your text, incorporating files from your computer, and using diverse tools to include formulas, multimedia content, or files from your cloud storage.
To receive notifications for new video uploads, subscribe to our channel and select the All option on the subscription menu. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up.